Best Business Ideas 2025 for Students. Start small, dream big. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel where we talk business, hustle, and smart money moves. If you're a student looking to earn extra cash or build something big from your dorm room, this video is for you. Let us dive into the best business ideas for 2025 that students can start with little to no money. Before we start, let me tell you about this one-stop website for entrepreneurs. One of my favorites websites has all the tools you will need for free: traffic, Autoresponder, page builder, Popup creator, link tracker, and 5 ways to earn money for free. The link is down in the description. Let us dive into the best business ideas for 2025 that students can start with little to no money. If you're good at a subject like math, science, or even writing, you can combine your knowledge with AI tools like ChatGPT or Notion AI to tutor more efficiently. Create custom lesson plans, use AI to help with grading or explaining concepts, and boom, you've got a scalable tutoring biz. First up, AI-powered tutoring services. Bonus tip here: market yourself on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or join online tutoring marketplaces like Wisent. Next, digital products. These are huge in 2025. If you're good at design or organization, study during the day, make money while you sleep. Create Notion templates, resume guides, social media kits, or ebooks. Once created, you can sell them over and over again on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad with zero inventory. Plus, it builds passive income. Got even a tiny following on TikTok or Instagram? You can start micro-influencing. Brands in 2025 love small creators with niche audiences. Sign up for affiliate programs, Amazon, Canva, or niche-specific ones, and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Pro tip: focus on one niche like skincare, fitness, or tech and build trust with your audience. Think laundry pickup, phone repair, or even late-night snack delivery. These low-cost services solve real problems students face and spread quickly through word of mouth. Section 4. Campus-based services. Laundry picked up, phone repair, or food delivered on campus. Once you've proven demand, you can even hire classmates to scale it. If you're more hands-on, try campus-based services. If you've got a skill: video editing, writing, graphic design, coding, there's serious money in freelancing. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn Tool and Gigs. Show the behind the scenes of your side hustle and build a personal brand along the way. Start small with friends. Last but not least, freelancing and content creation. Bonus tip for you: the tools and opportunities are right in front of you, so what are you waiting for? Document your journey on YouTube or TikTok. Now, all these opportunities are amazing, but before I finish, let me tell you about this website that's helping entrepreneurs. It's called One Sign Up a Day Strategy. No opt-in needed, no gimmick. Simply download the PDF file and learn the tricks. The link is down in the description. Alright, those were 5 powerful business ideas for students in 2025. Whether you want to start small or aim big, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on smart business tips. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. Second time is now. At home business. For newbies.